For how hunnuh children to do this year, the Queen Quet coming to hunnuh from the Henry C. Chambers Waterfront Park right here in Beaufort, South Kakalaki in the Gullah Geechee Nation. We here to welcome back home to this year town, Candice Glover. The rest of the world just to learn with this year gal and thing like that, but it did from my home island to Helena Island, South Kakalaki. Y'all yet hear my voice done sound? They had me over there to shout for them. We been to sing this year song. We love you, we love you. Oh, Candice. So Candice, we right here, glad that the road take you out, bring you back home, and we know you're going all the way for be America idol, but you've been the idol of the Gullah Geechee Nation.